Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is positive thinking. You're in the right place, right time. You have the right thoughts to actually build your foundations. Make a timeline to meet your deadlines. Positive thinking. You're changing and going to a new season, and you can't take that old negative thinking that can weigh you down. Negative thoughts carry their own weight. We need you to release that. Negative thoughts will give you reasons and lessons to remind you why, you need to live and let go, forgive and forget, so you can free up more space for positive energy, prosperity. These are the things that rush your blessings in, and life feels like living instead of sustaining and surviving. My life is full of small patches of light. So if you're surrounded by darkness, I'm sure there are small specks of light, of opportunity that you can grasp onto, hold on to, and build on till you can turn your reality into something beautiful and light-giving, light-birthing. So no matter what type of situation you're in, do not let your fire go out and hold on to the small patches of light and opportunity. I direct my thoughts to what brings me well-being. I place what is waiting for me into the hands of the universe. Little by little, the light awakens in my being, and I find serenity and peace, and you start to live, not survive. Don't give any acknowledgement to the darkness around you, only to the light, and that's where the darkness will go away, because again, no attention. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.